Easiest ways to build endurance. You're probably not doing these training techniques, but once you do, you'll significantly boost your endurance and stamina. 1. Reduce your amount of rest between sets. Men typically give themselves between 30 and 90 seconds of recovery time in between sets, but if your goal is greater endurance, be prepared to sacrifice break time. By the end of your sets, your muscles should be burning, you should be breathing heavily and sweating, says Torres. Only take a break if you physically cannot continue. Torres suggests selecting a series of movements like 10 pull-ups, 10 squats, 10 push-ups, 10 sit-ups. Do 3 rounds of the series back to back, taking as minimal a break as possible. 2. Remember, routine is the enemy. Switching up your workout is essential to building endurance and stamina. According to Torres, the human body gets used to a workout after 2 weeks. So if you're always running, start doing Muay Thai instead. Or if you're an avid cyclist, change it up by running stairs. You need to move the muscles in a different way so that you don't develop overuse. Plus, it becomes more motivating. 3. Do fast-paced, high-intensity lifting. When you use weights at an extremely rapid pace, it will not only improve your strength, but also carry over to improve your endurance activity. It's one of the best ways to ignite your metabolism. When people do an excessive amount of endurance-only training, they actually slow down their metabolism because it starts to eat away at your muscle tissue. 4. Choose compound movements over isolation. Compound moves that require using more than one joint like squats, step UPS, push UPS and pull UPS will improve your endurance more so than exercises in isolation. Isolated exercises like bicep curls and leg lifts aren't going to stimulate you enough to increase your stamina. 5. Go for hybrid exercises. A squat with an added overhead press, jumping pull-ups, and lunges with biceps curls are all great hybrids, exercises that take 2 separate movements and combine them. The more muscles you can get working in a movement, the more it will stimulate your heart muscles, which in turn improves your stamina. 6. Add explosive movements to your workout. Explosive movements that take a lot of energy challenge your strength, endurance, and stamina simultaneously. Once you become more explosive, you'll notice that you'll actually start moving faster. Try adding things like burpees, box jumps, jumping knee tucks and power push-ups to your workout routine.